going to explore Carlisle, but first we're going to have some toasted tea cakes.
Yes, a bit hungry.
And some latte.
That train journey was really good, wasn't it?
It was good, yeah. Hour and 20 minutes, Newcastle to Carlisle.
We had a table seat,
That's not
which was
bad.
nice, wasn't it?
What flavours have you got?
Yeah. So
Tea
far,
cakes,
so good.
latte, and then we'll have a wander around Carlisle.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're starting our tour of Carlisle here at Rickaby Gardens on the Eden Bridge, or Eden Bridge Gardens as it's also known. And we've come to the Chinese Italian garden. So what have you found, Anna?
Built using unemployed labour in the Depression of 1930s under supervision of the city engineer Percy Dalton. These gardens cost around £3,000. The cost kept down by the use of reclaimed materials. The white clove stone used to make the rest houses was taken from the old Eden Bridge. There you go.
Okay, and they're being well maintained today as well by the looks of it. Morning.
Morning.
They look nice and well maintained, don't they? I'm not sure why they're known as the Chinese Italian gardens though.
Let me have another quick look.
Maybe we can find that for you as well.
For some peculiar reason, these gardens have been known locally for many years as Chinese gardens. However, there is nothing Chinese in the design, and anybody knowledgeable in the works of Thomas Mason knows that he was famed for his grand Italian designs.
There's been a number of bridges span the River Eden at this point over the years. Wooden bridges, metal bridges. This one was erected in 1932. So years back, the Eden Bridge used to have a tram line running across it, and then it was widened in 1932. And back in the 1800s, the River Eden used to freeze and people used to go walking out on it. That's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wonder when the last time was it was frozen. Because it's quite a fast flowing river today.
Yeah.
So in Bits now, I can't really find much information on Bits Park, but Carlisle's been a Scottish stronghold to an English border city, and it's steeped in history. Wherever you go in the city centre, you're walking in the footsteps of Brigantian tribes, Roman soldiers, early Christian missionaries, medieval traders, Cromwellian troops, Jacobite rebels, and countless generations of ordinary people that have occupied this great border city for more than 2,000 years.
Wow.
There's quite a bit of history there, isn't there? We're going to have a wander over now and have a look at...
why do you think she's there?
Queen Victoria's got to be everywhere, hasn't she? And have a look at this monument to Queen Victoria here in Bits Park. So last week we saw one of her train carriages on the MC Heritage Railway. And now here she is in Bits Park, in Carlisle. Queen Victoria, Queen of Great Britain and Ireland, Empress of India. Born May 24th, 1819, died January 22nd, 1901. So the building you can see behind Anna there is the Park Keeper's Cottage, built in 1902. The Royal Agricultural Show was hosted in Carlisle in the same year. And Bits Park used to be a rubbish tip, and the People's Park opened in 1893, although some of the paths were built in 1818. And the statue of Queen Victoria that we've just seen cost £1,500. £188,000 at current day costs. Probably a little bit more than that now, depends on when that information was put on there. There's 12-foot deep foundations. Wow.
It was
and there used to be a bandstand there as well, didn't there? Look.
It said it's located to where the four paths now meet, but I don't know where that would be, because it looks like in that picture, maybe over that way.
Maybe. Yeah. Right, up to the castle.
Yes, go on then.
Let's go and have a look and see how much this is to go in. Not necessarily tight, are we? But
No.
£15 each. I know it might not seem a lot to some people.
Well, there's other places you can go for free.
There's other places you can get them for free and that, and I totally appreciate that they need the money for the upkeep of these places. Absolutely. So maybe we might consider joining the English Heritage.
Yeah, then that means we can go to different places.
Yeah, but I think just today we'll just give it a miss. But
Right.
yeah, it's here if you want to come and enjoy it.
Go buy Bolly.
We just had a little look around the shop. Anyway, it's starting to rain now. So let's see what we can do. Old artefacts there, and this plaque unveiled by Her Majesty the Queen, 5th of August 2002, to commemorate the occasion of her Golden Jubilee. There's all writing on the floor as well, look. Names.
Oh, yes.
I'm assuming this is something to do with the coal industry here.
Uh-huh.
There's another plaque here.
Oh, but look.
What's this say? Well, this is kind of hidden away, isn't it? It's not somewhere you would...
Have you seen that?
Oh, yeah.
If you know, you know. Wow.
Yeah, unless you're heading to the castle, then I guess you're probably not going to find it.
No.
Heading to Carlisle Cathedral now, where prayer and worship has been offered since 1122. That's some years ago, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look. Abbey Gatehouse. Carlisle Cathedral stood as a landmark in this city, and a beacon of the Christian North since it was founded as an Augustinian priory in 1122. It's the gatehouse.
So look,
Yeah, that's why Carlisle is known as a cathedral city, isn't it?
oh,
So
okay.
it has a cathedral. Not brought the drone today, so this is the best aerial shot you're going to get. Not bad though. God, that wind's getting up. Normans invaded England in 1066, but didn't reach North Cumbria and Carlisle until 1092. Until then, this region remained part of the Scottish kingdom of Strathclyde.
Oh. There's a lot of history in these places.
Oh
isn't
yeah,
there?
no. Because you tend to come and just wander around the same old streets and the same old shops. That preceded the cathedral boasted a number of buildings now lost. And I think that's all that's probably left of the cloister. Just a single arch remains. Hear that? Steam train.
I know. I wonder what that is.
I know. Well, that was worth a visit, wasn't it?
That was really worth a visit, wasn't it?
Absolutely fantastic in there, especially the treasury. That was really interesting to see
Could
that
spend all day in there
yeah,
reading stuff.
to see that they had to dig through that Viking burial. Fantastic. So if you're in Carlisle, don't give the cathedral a miss. So back in the market square now. I'm going to go and try and find ourselves somewhere to have a nice bit of lunch. And then we'll continue our tour. Well, it was an absolute nightmare in Carlisle trying to find a pub and somewhere to eat, but we didn't find anywhere to eat in a pub in the end.
No.
Ended up finding a pub and having some beer, or
I
a
had
beer.
a glass of wine.
It's going to be Greg's or a chippy, I think, or something.
But we're heading to the station now, aren't we?
Yeah, because apparently the Northern Bell steam train's in that's come from Liverpool. So we're going to go and see if we can see that. We've managed to find something to eat.
Excuse the hair, but I'm the only one that got wet.
We got caught in a shower. But yeah, we've managed to find something to eat.
Look at
Just
this.
a simple pie from a pie stand. We're back in Carlisle station because we found the Northern Bell train. It runs from Liverpool to Carlisle. Obviously it runs to Carlisle because we're in Carlisle. That's what I meant. There you go, look. Look at that.
That's a
It's
beauty,
got a diesel
isn't it?
locomotive at the front end. These are the Pullman carriages. We're just going to have a wander down there and see the steam engine itself.
Right,
This is the Battle of Britain class locomotive. It's fantastic, isn't it? Just talking to a couple in the pub who are on this from Liverpool.
Wow,
And they're doing we've got a 6-course meal on the way back. And they've had brunch on the way here. Oh yeah, I fancy that, boy.
Yeah.
Fancy that.
Yes. Yeah.
How about that? So Northern Bell here in Carlisle station. That's another great little place to visit if you've never been. Maryport. So in this spot was the jail wall from 1827 and the last public execution in Carlisle on the 15th of March 1862.
That's
Wow.
mad, isn't it?
Yeah. So I've just googled the last public execution here in Carlisle, and it was a guy called William Charlton for the murder of Jane Emerson.
There we
Just
go.
trying to kill a bit of time now before our train goes back, but
Victoria Viaduct.
we've just come across the Victoria Viaduct. There's a nice shot of Carlisle train station there.